They can't turk the camera.
Turk? Oh no, I turk the camera again.
No, like dance. Just simple dance.
Dance! There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze done. I'm at the place, you know. I hear the best comedy.
Alright, so people are going there, boy, Blaze done. You see me out there with Stiff Breast ENT. Everything going to subscribe to our channel, you see me. And today, we are going to start off with how much do you rate me from 1 to 10? You see me? So first, let's start off with she, you see me? So, how much you rate me?
Out of 10? 9.
9?
Yeah, 9 out of 10. That's much I rate you.
Yeah. So where that come from?
Where it's coming from? From your channel.
What you know?
We rated that much on your channel. Yeah. We rate a 9 out of 10. But on the street, 8 out of 10.
But you know, me rate a 10 out of 10. No?
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh, how comes the rate me 10 out of 10? Power, my channel or on the streets?
Yeah. Shape
My body.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So that's me did turn up.
You look sexy and thing.
Seriously? Master, and my boyfriend now tell me that. So I wrote me up over here that.
So what kind of boyfriend you have?
I don't know what kind of man me have.
So hold on, why you name your channel Stiff Breast?
Oh, why am I name it? You don't know, say. Remember, say you have a little party we call Stiff Breast Mondays, and you don't know, say, it kind of stop keep and them thing, but.
I could answer you, say, actually, yeah, I was stiff breast and like.
Yeah, and true, yeah, my friend them say, yo, your breast stiff, so do a little thing named Stiff Breast Monday. I say, I don't know, say, that's true. Yeah, man, you do a thing, Stiff Breast Monday. I'm going to name the channel, because I know people know me as Stiff Breast. So I'm going to name my channel name Stiff Breast. Straight.
Oh, so I don't know. So are you alone? Are you alone, like, deal with the channel and things? So part of your boyfriend?
My boyfriend? I don't know. I don't really have a boyfriend like that.
Yeah.
I like where this is going.
He's on. I really have a boyfriend. But me I got married next year though. I'm gonna find my husband and married next year.
But you're 16?
You sexy?
You can't do it.
Oh, when me and my boyfriend, I didn't tell me say me name too much. My boyfriend never tell me say me 60.
You can't turk the camera.
Turk? Oh no, I turk the camera again.
No, like dance. Just simple dance.
Dance! There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Lord God, you want me to show you something else too? In the bed I did you and I. Whoa! Alright, baby. Whoa! Master. A long time I no go dance. Why me miss dance?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna treat the whole quarantine thing, you see me?
Why me don't mind next year this just blow away this COVID thing. Me fed up fear about COVID. Me don't want to hear about no COVID. I long for go party and
You like a party in your bed?
the one a different master. But on the road me want to leave my waistline still.
Wait,
Active
but
like.
if you need a partner, be there.
Alright, so you're there. Alright.
One phone call, no?
Sound good. You ready for married?
Married? Now my young age?
See, yeah, okay.
You see, they free that young boy.
No, but I look for me then because I'm married. Me I talk about. Me not talk about nothing else about I'm married. Married me I talk about right now.
So you don't want married on 20-year-old?
20-year-old no, too young.
I don't know, sure. So whole man you want to marry?
No. Not for really old, but from 30 up, nothing wrong with that, 30. Or all the thing maybe. Just all the thing maybe.
You're only 28. Name for it.
Older than that, baby.
Yeah, me.
Me older than that, so.
I look so.
Older you know me.
How much?
34 enough.
34 and 60 so. I must lie out there.
34 enough.
No. Your boyfriend there though.
You know, say enough man no know good woman, and enough woman no know good man. I just that know.
That's true.
Yeah, enough we no know good man, and enough man no know good woman. But that's so you go in life. Everybody know what they want from what they want. Me know what me want. Me want good. So me I'll go for good.
So hold on. If me is a good man, and me say me can put it deep in there. You know how me do it?
Yeah, cause me know you're a little you are young you. Me know you ain't no problem with nobody else street, no trouble, no. Me never hear him call. Saying that's why me say on the road. Me not even shall give you on the street. Me I give you 10 out of 10. I can't give you 8 or 10 out of 10. Me wrong. Me I take it back. 10 out of 10. Cause you on the street 10 out of 10. I'm mad if you go do that. You go give 8 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
So make a change. Where you change?
No, me have to check back in me. I say, yo, me never hear him call say, you trouble rat, you lick puss, you lick cat. No, me have to take it back. 10 out of 10. Cause you're really out in the street.
So land. So me there now. So where this place me? Where place me?
No my yard, eh?
Like in a friend zone.
Oh, yes. In a friend zone.
So when you want me do all that,
Oh God. You don't have to ask for what you want. They say sharing is caring.
Alright.
You have to ask what you want. But now just go and give yourself. I ain't ask what you want.
Me never did ask. I want to prank you know. I see it. Oh, prank. You did that even in the first video we did, that video real.
Why? Wait a say.
I want prank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like seriously?
But the way you go to that extent, you know, like, yo, you're dangerous, brother.
You dangerous?
Yeah.
So I want prank. Me a prank?
Gyal a say she no nyambula with cheese. Bring out me flow, credit put on the plan. Let her run so me call up a flow. Gyal a say me cheat and me reply slow. Gyal a say she want install Netflix. So me tell her go buy a chicken and chips. Run down to Miss Maggie go get the key. Tell her say